Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to remove email on Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. Under this menu, scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Go to settings. Under the settings, all you have to do now, tap on this personal details. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this personal details again. In this section, tap on this contact info. Under this contact info, now you can be able now to see all your phone number and your email on your Facebook account. So select the email that you want to delete. I want to remove this one. After you select the email, tap on this delete email button. Tap on this delete again. So from now, it will ask you to type in your password before you continue. So all you have to do now, go and type in your password and tap on this continue button. From now, it will delete your email on your Facebook account. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.